Hi, and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video, we'll be showing you how our Fastime 7 stopwatch works. The Fastime 7 stopwatch is a professional grade 100-lap memory stopwatch designed for precision sports. It has a triple line display to provide detailed data during training and events, ideal for multiple sports. Functions of the Fastime 7 include 100-lap memory, stroke rate, speed conversion, and pacer function, and a repeating countdown timer. We will be referring to the lap split or reset button as button A, the recall button as button B, and the start-stop button as button C. The mode button we will refer to as button D. Press C to start. Press C to stop. Press C to continue. Press C to stop, and press A to reset. The top display of the stopwatch will show the cumulative time to the last split. The middle display will show the previous split lap time. The bottom display will show the cumulative running time. Press C to start. Press A to take a cumulative split. Press A to take more splits up to 100 laps. You will see the laps increase on the lap counter on the left. Press C to stop. Press A to reset. Press B any time to recall the memory. The first display shows the fastest lap number and time. Press B again for the slowest lap details. Press B each split time 4 times starting from the last split. Each display shows the split number, lap time, and cumulative time. Press B to return to the stopwatch mode. You can press B any time while the stopwatch is running to recall the memory. The first display will show the fastest lap number. Press B again for the slowest lap details. Press B to cycle through the lap split times. Press A to continue to take splits and return to the current running time. Press C to stop and A to reset. To set the function and enter the distance to be timed, press and hold B until the digits flash. Press A to select the digits. Press C to change the digits. Press B to exit. Press C to start the stopwatch. Press A to capture split times. Press C to stop and A to reset. You can press B for the memory recall. The top display shows speed per split time. The middle display shows lap split time. The bottom display shows cumulative running time. Note, when the speed mode has a distance value, then it replaces the stopwatch mode. The memory recall includes the average speed and lap speeds. Press C to start the measurement. After 3 strokes or frequencies have been observed, press C again. The display shows the expected number of times that action will recur during 1 minute. Press D to move to the pacer display. Press A to set the pacer from 5 to 240 beats per minute. Press C to start or stop the pacer. Press D to move to the countdown/up timer display. Two options are available: count down, then count up, and repeating countdown. To set the timer, press and hold B until the digits flash. Press A to choose the digits to change. Press C to change the digits. Hold C for rapid digit change. Press B to set the clock. To start or stop the timer, press C. Depending on the timer chosen, the timer counts down to 0, then counts up until stopped, or counts down to 0 and repeats. Press C to stop the timer. Press D to move to the time of day or date display. Press and hold B until the digits flash. Press A to choose the digits to change. Press C to change the digits and hold for rapid digit change. Press B to return to the time of day display. Press and hold B until the digits flash. Press A to select the digits. Press C to change the digits. Hold C for rapid digit change. Then press B to return to the alarm time of day screen. And that's the Fastime 7. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.